Rosé wine.
The rosé wine can be produced in several ways, such as using light-colored grapes or assembling a specific amount of red and white grapes, or even mixing wines of different colors. Another technique is to obtain the wine from red grapes fermented with maceration only a little part of them. But the most common practice to make quality rosé wines is to use very pigmented red grapes, making a white wine with a very short contact with the skins. The contact usually occurs for only a few hours, and for this reason they are also called one-night wines. The color is generally a very bright claret pink, and it is particularly rich and has a refined fragrance. These wines are generally not considered as the top of the products of the wineries, but in reality they are very high-quality wines, extremely complex to produce, and in many cases the racking produces a loss of more than 60% of the product. After the racking practice, the rosé wines follow the same procedure reserved for the whites, and once placed on the market they should be consumed within the bottling year.